Simba, check this Pokemon series out.
Yeah, it's a show about creatures with unique powers battling it out.
Sounds cool.
Exploud, a loud noise Pokémon. Exploud is a normal-type Pokémon introduced in Generation 3. This loud noise Pokémon is the fully evolved form of Loudred, known for its massive vocal cords, powerful cries, and the ability to create shockwaves with its roars. Exploud has a massive and imposing appearance with an enlarged mouth, powerful vocal cords, and a commanding presence. Exploud's design reflects its normal-type attributes, emphasizing its powerful and sound-based nature. Exploud possesses the ability Soundproof, which grants it immunity to sound-based moves. This ability showcases Exploud's resilience against attacks that rely on sound. Exploud is often portrayed as a Pokémon with a commanding and authoritative personality. Exploud is known for its powerful roars and the ability to create shockwaves with its vocalizations. Exploud can learn a variety of moves, including Crunch, Boom Burst, Hyper Beam, Fire Blast, Ice Beam, and Thunderbolt. Exploud's move pool combines normal-type attacks with a wide range of moves that highlight its powerful and sound-based qualities. Exploud evolves from Loudred starting at level 40. This evolution marks a significant increase in Exploud's size and transforms it into a fully evolved normal-type Pokémon. Exploud stands out as a fully evolved normal-type Pokémon with a massive and imposing appearance. Exploud's powerful roars and the ability to create shockwaves make Exploud a formidable choice for trainers seeking a Pokémon with commanding strength.
That was dope. I want to be a Pokemon Master.
Yeah, and you all should subscribe to the YouTube channel so we don't miss any episodes.
Right on.